all the people that I work with typically are hitting the wall with always the same result, right? Like
Yeah.
it never works out. It never works out. I'm not lovable. I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy, right? For men, it's typically I'm not good enough. For women, it's I'm not worthy. I'm not lovable. Interesting, right? 5 years old from
Yeah.
the circumstances. Um, so what happened? I said that I explained that a little bit earlier. If a little girl, get this, what's supposed to be the right thing, the right way to be raised in a family that's healthy is daddy is protection over the family. There's a dome of protection, even if he works a lot. Like he's present, he pays the bills, he makes everyone feel safe because he's not going anywhere and he's in charge, like a daddy is of things that are statistical of life. That allows the mother to be feminine, and then that for a feminine essence can then nurture the children appropriately. This is just the way it works best. This is how you build family that are healthy, and the kids to be actually become grown-ups that are healthy because the dynamic is in place. The little girls feel safe. The boys have a role model and a way to teach them how to be appropriately masculine. Fantastic. We need dad and we need mom, and the kids
Hmm.
benefit. All right. But if dad isn't present, or dad is bad, or dad's an alcoholic, right? If dad is not a man that makes anybody feel safe, mom becomes mama bear,
Yep.
which is masculine as all hell. She then provides and protects the kids, carry his butt around because he's not working and or doesn't want to, or he's addicted to all kinds of shit. That's a girl, by the way, right? What I mean by that is men who collapse into their feelings and use alcohol, food, sex, drugs to feel better. It's a feminine paradigm.
I like how you
Men
say
don't.
they fell into that. That's
It,
interesting. Hmm.
it's factual, right? Typically, they don't feel like they haven't cultivated their masculine, so they feel bad. They're anxious, to get away from the pain, they get addicted to all kinds of shit. So
Hmm.
he's a man, looks like a man, but acts like a boy,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
if you have a boy as a father, the boys don't have good role models. Mom is Mama Bear, so then the little girl roles models after mom, which is masculine as all hell, as the way to be. But get this: the worst. This is the injury: is that if the little girl doesn't feel safe because daddy isn't there or safe, right?
Hmm.
She she has to man up literally to protect
Yep.
herself. At the age of
Yep.
5 forward, you've been there. I see you man
Hmm.
up, and what happened is it disallows you to grow into your femininity naturally. Where a little girl who feels safe can roll, you understand the logic of life, but is right. The mom is more nurturing, motherly. She can grow into her feminine essence naturally, and then on the other side of life, like there's a balance of both. This is what
Right.
we all struggle with: is we have to balance our masculine energy within each one of us
Right.
appropriately. So when you're ego dystonic, when you tip as a woman, tip the other way because you have to man up at 5. You become a masculine woman, you're bossy, you're controlling, you can't be vulnerable, you're trying to, manage everything, you overdo everything, you over
Yep.
nurture the world, you just pour out, you pour out, you pour out, which is what men do more naturally. And eventually you pour out, but you don't receive anymore. You're not able to receive
Yeah.
because you're stuck in the masculine, right? The
Yeah.
masculine doesn't receive well. The feminine needs to receive to give back, right? The flow is broken. And then
Yeah.
you become tired, resentful, angry. No one's ever helping you, but you're not asking for help. You refuse to ask for help because that's weak. So it's a shit show in the
It's a
making.
vicious cycle. Vicious
It's a
cycle.
terrible thing, right? And again, and then you go, it's him. So another relationship, another relationship, another relationship, another relationship, right?
Yep.